Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Jared, this is Moparinsiders, and this is our 2015 Dodge Challenger Hellcat project vehicle. So in the last video, I promised you guys we were going to show you everything that we've done to this car. This is basically version 2.0 of this car now since we picked it up last year. That's not good. It sucked up a screw somehow. I have no idea where it came from. And let's just get right to it, because I'm sure you guys are wondering what happened with our 2023 Redeye Jailbreak. I did give the car back. Basically, I had decided that even if they fixed the issue, and who knows how deep that is, anything else that happened with that car, if there's any other issues, I would just be really, really upset and kicking myself in the ass for not giving it back, to be quite frank. The day after the video and the article came out, Dodge corporate reached out asking which dealer the car was at. They wanted to help fix it. Honestly, I think they were really just trying to save face at this point, because I've talked to the dealer. They haven't heard anything from Dodge, and the quality has really gone to shit since Stellantis took over. So I'm just not really interested in having another one. I would rather have all the focus on this 2015 project car that we've got. So let's go over everything we've done since you guys have seen the car last. Starting under the hood here, we've done a Whipple 3.8 liter supercharger. This is one of the billet pre-production units. It's got a Nick Williams 130 millimeter throttle body on it, leg maker carbon fiber intake. As you can see, the intake actually necks down before the throttle body. Nobody makes an intake big enough for this 130 millimeter throttle body yet. I did add a UPR fender mount catch can here. The car's got ID 1300 injectors, completely stock bottom end. Valve covers have never been off of it. We do have a flex fuel sensor right here. And in the tank, it's got dual Hellcat pumps and a 4 hat. We did the full AAD drag rear suspension. It's got Demon Killer springs, performance development diff brace and race brace. We've done the Willwood 15-inch conversion, billet specialties 15-inch wheels on the back, 18s on the front, have gone back to a 6-piston caliper. The car is being tuned by Mike at OST Dyno. We've still only had it really on the pump gas tune so far, and our pump gas here in British Columbia, Canada sucks. Our 93 pump gas is like equivalent to a 91 in the States. I know the octane ratings are the same, but the fuel just does not perform as well, and a lot of tuners will tell you that. So we haven't had a chance to really open this thing up yet. You might have seen a video of me getting my ass kicked by a Tesla Plaid that's gone viral. That sucks, but it is what it is. Right now we're having trouble getting the car off the line. It just doesn't have any power on the lead for some reason, so we got to try to figure that out. We've also added the Anderson Composites carbon fiber Demon cowl hood here. As you guys see, the Whipple 3.8 liter supercharger, we've got the upgraded race intercooler in it. It adds another inch to the height, and it does not fit under the stock hood. So luckily, last time I was out at the track, I was able to get my NHRA 9-second license, which means I can go to the track, run it out without getting hassled by tech or getting kicked out. So we will have some drag strip videos coming for you guys soon. We're trying to get a track rental down so that I can really spend some time with Mike at OST getting this thing fine-tuned and then really putting some power to it with the race gas tune. We are running the 3.75 pulley right now, which is putting us around 18 PSI of boost. And overall, yeah, this is version 2.0 of the car. So a couple other things we've added. I added the AWE touring exhaust, the resonated version, because this car does have long tubes and no cats, and it is loud as hell. Still really loud when it's cold with this AWE exhaust, but it's got a really nice tone to it, and it quiets it down when it is warmed up, but it sounds awesome from the back. I just didn't like the really raspy sound that the stock exhaust was giving with long tubes and no cats. Future plans for this car, of course, are to build a 426 stroker over the winter. We'll get there at some point, but right now I really just want to fine tune this thing and get some good passes under my belt. As you guys saw earlier this year, we had that Whipple 4.5 liter supercharger that ate a bolt, locked the supercharger up, really screwed up our whole season after the car went 982 on an easy tune, right after driving it an hour and a half to the track while it was heat soaked. So the best it has gone with this Whipple 3.8 so far is 988 at 143 miles an hour. There's still a lot of room there. I think we just got to nail the tune down, or maybe something's going on that we need to figure out. So I will be talking to Mike from OST Dyno on the phone. We're going to try to get it sorted out. I'll get to a track rental and see what we can do. But yeah, this is it, guys. Version 2.0 of our project, 2015 Hellcat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.